2.
Hello, we're here on Some Talk Show.
No, it's the Taco Show.
Oh yeah, the Taco Show.
Well,
Say your name.
hi, I'm Geico.
I'm Burger King, and this is... Say your name.
Oh, Jiffy Lube.
Jiffy Lube, what's he doing? She's on a phone. It's not the phone. Don't think we're psycho, because we're not. On the phone.
She is. Okay.
Okay, we're interviewing Jiffy Lube about tacos today.
What's your favorite part of the taco?
What's your favorite part of the taco?
I like the lettuce.
Ooh, the lettuce.
Lettuce
It's green.
It's green.
It's green and it's cool. Good idea. Okay, what's your second favorite part of the taco?
I like the cheese.
I
It's
like-
not like my glasses.
Well, I don't eat red meat. Well, I don't eat red meat, so it's like the turkey meat, because there's like turkey meat tacos, and they're really good.
Yeah, nice turkey meat.
Personally,
Okay.
I like the cheese because it's hot like my glasses.
Me too. Oh, those are mine.
Right.
Okay.
Well,
So what's your third favorite part of the taco?
I don't know. What?
Come on, the cheese?
The cheese. Oh, yeah.
The guacamole.
That's my favorite, basically.
What about the guacamole? That's,
I like guacamole.
me neither. Natalie
do.
does. I mean, Geico does. Okay, what else?
now I gotta go with the
Do you like hard shell tacos or soft shell tacos better? Which do you like better? Hard shell or soft shell tacos?
Oh, well, a lot of times, it's like,
What?
it's like hard shell tacos, and then it's like...
What the French toast? What?
If it's like a hard shell taco, I like it in chip things, or like,
Ooh,
right
shit.
there.
Okay.
But I like soft shell tacos better.
Okay, well, she likes soft shell tacos.
Yum.
Her favorite part of the taco is the lettuce. Second favorite part, favorite part is the cheese. Second part is the lettuce. And the third is the turkey meat. Thanks, Jiffy Lube, for coming on our special show.
No problem, Burger King.
Bye.
Bye.
She said bye.